So a warm welcome to Embodied Health Learning Community. It's Thursday, the 6th of February, and I'm joined today with Marion Bott from Berlin. And we have some exciting news for you. If you've been following her series on dreams, we have the next in the series. I don't want to say the final one because we could continue. And this is the dreaming body, how our body dreams. So Monday, after the weekend, this Monday, the 10th of February, Marion will come and give a free, rare that they're now free webinar that if you register for, you can get Zoom access and ask questions and be guided on this journey that Marion will tell you a little bit more about in just a second. So Monday, the 10th of February, the dreaming body, how the body dreams, fascinating, and an interactive guided experience this time. And it's, 7 o'clock UK time. 8 o'clock for those further over in Europe where you are in Berlin. Exactly. And tell us a little bit about how this one will be different and lead on from the others and what people will experience on this one.
Yes, I'm very happy to join you again, Julia. And I'm really excited to share this webinar with you all because it's a very precious discovery that I made 2016 when I was writing my second play, Mermaid. And I actually started to have these awakenings in my body and learning dream therapy. Our teacher showed us how the body dreams and how we can heal our body through dreams and how, as artists, we can enter our body, let our body dream and get inspired for our projects. So what I want to share with you on Monday is, one, how you can heal yourself by letting your body dream, and how your body can dream you to the next inspiration for your project. So we're going to go into a full body scan together and research the different dream symbols and visions that you store in your joints, in your muscles, in your organs, in your brain, and use this body that we have and borrow for this life as a tool to expand and dream further. Yeah.
Wonderful. And we've put in this video post some other ways to get in touch and to work with Marion. She's got a new YouTube channel that she'll be updating regularly, a Patreon channel, as well as her dream coaching booking sessions where you can book one-to-ones. So we hope you'll register for this webinar. As I said before, it's a rare free one. Most of our webinars are for members only now, but this one is on Monday at 7 o'clock UK time. So thank you, Marion, for joining us again and offering this. And we hope we will see you there if you've watched this video and are inspired to join us.
Yes, I want to give a last message because it's really exciting. When we host our webinar on Monday, I'm also launching my first big video on my YouTube channel where I'm live channeling spirit. So that's going to be exciting that it's on the same day. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.